Hi, what's good?
Hey, I got a package for you. I had got it kind of busted like this, so I didn't know if you wanted to look at it before I just leave, or if you know.
It's not for me, and the guy that is accepting this is in Oklahoma.
Yeah.
He went up there to a casino.
I don't want to just leave it with a box something like this. I don't know if it's broken or not gonna die, you know.
Right.
I just don't want to leave.
It's for market price.
I think it says radiator, so
Yeah, it's for his radiator right here.
I don't know if it's hopefully nothing, you know.
Right.
Hopefully the radiator is good and the box is messed up. I just want to go on delivery, you know.
It's kind of looking alright.
And I got one more package I got to get. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the other one.
Let me pull it all the way out.
Okay. Get it out. Yeah. So I hold the box.
Yeah. Pull the back of the box that way. I'll go this way. Pull hard. Yeah, it's not going.
It's good.
No.
Oh yeah, that's messed up.
Yeah, how'd that happen?
I don't know. I got the box like this. So I was like, yeah.
Wow. That is not a radiator. That is not gonna work. No.
But I got this one though.
You got that one though?
I delivered.
Here, let me put this on video. Stand over here. There's a video camera right behind you. This is how the radiator arrived. Not looking like a radiator. This is pretty twisted. Yeah, I'll go back. I mean, it looks bad on one side, but
Yeah,
that is a totally proper.
that's what I said.
Let me go get my phone too.
But that one is good.
Yeah, that one looks good.
The box